if you're a Salesforce admin, you know exactly how powerful the Salesforce platform can be for your organization. It's absolutely a game changer in managing customer relationships, improving processes, and also driving growth. But here's the thing. The value of Salesforce is not in the tool itself. It's in how well your users are adopting it and actually using it. You can have the best system in the world, but in the end, it's not doing anyone any good if nobody's actually using it. That's why user adoption is so unbelievably critical for maximizing the value of Salesforce at your organization. So, what can you do as a leader in order to encourage user adoption? Here are a couple of thoughts. First, make sure that your team actually understands the why behind using Salesforce. It's not enough to actually just tell them what they need to do or where to click and how to enter in information and how to save a record. Show them how using Salesforce will actually benefit them personally and contribute to the success of their team and of the organization as a whole. Second, you need to provide training and support. Don't just assume that just because the tool looks easy to use, that it actually is intuitive. It's not. Don't assume that everybody knows how to use Salesforce. Some people might need more guidance than others, and that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Make sure to invest in training programs, provide the appropriate resources and support, and make sure that the team actually knows how they can come to you or anyone else if they have questions or concerns on how to perform their jobs and how to use the system in order to work more productively. If they don't know how to use it and they don't know where to turn to for help, nothing's going to happen. You can pretty much guarantee that user adoption is going to be low in those situations. And third, the organization needs to lead by example. The business leaders within the organization need to set the tone for the rest of the team. If they are not using Salesforce or relying on the data in Salesforce in order to pull the accurate, most up-to-date metrics for the company or the team, then nobody is going to be relying on it either. So long as anyone is still permitted to rely on Excel spreadsheets instead of Salesforce to find the most up-to-date data, your Salesforce data is not going to be updated. And finally, celebrate success. When you see that team members are actually using Salesforce appropriately, give them recognition and give them praise. Celebrate the wins and share their success stories with the rest of the team. You have no idea how contagious that becomes, especially in organizations where people are somewhat competitive with each other. It reinforces the importance of using Salesforce, and it absolutely encourages others to follow suit. Remember that user adoption is not a nice to have, it's something that's actually essential in order to get the most out of the Salesforce platform. As a leader, it's your job to ensure that your team is on board and they are engaged, they know how to use the system can actually help them do their jobs. You can't have unrealistic expectations for them. If the system can't actually help them do their jobs, we can't really expect them to do their jobs using the system. With the right approach, you can drive user adoption and you can unlock the full potential of this incredible platform.